Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is the actuator for the air door actuator. It's Dorman. It's 604-288. This is what I just put in my vehicle to fix it. So now I have defrost or dash or the foot air coming out or all of them. So this is what it looks like. This is the OEM one. But Dorman is what I replaced it with. So here's the OEM one. Here's the information. We'll try to zoom in on that when I make the video. But as you see, there's just connectors. One there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. See what happens. I know there's another video that shows opening one of these. Oh, I might need to get a screwdriver, so I'll probably just break those tabs off because I don't care. Okay, got my trusty flathead. Let's go ahead and try prying some of these up. Oh yeah, they break easy, so yeah, which is fine. I mean, we're gonna throw it away, but so don't care if I break them. This is a trash unit. Obviously, it's just made for manufacturing, right? It's not made to ever be opened and repaired. Honestly, because it's not made to be repaired, what they should do is skip manufacturing it with clips and just manufacture where it's two halves and they put it together and they seal it and it's done. They just use epoxy or whatever. You hear both sides and call it good. Okay, I think that was it. So now we'll put it in between the case and we'll go ahead and go around like that. Ta-da! I suppose if you did break all those off and there was some way to fix this, you could put it back together and just, you're going to have to use adhesive and it'd be a one-time opening job. But seeing as I don't know of a fix for opening it, doesn't really matter at this point. And there's the gear. So the gears look fine. So I'm going to guess, like I saw in another video, it's this guy that has that contact right here. So who knows, it might just need to be cleaned and then put back on, re-lubed, and maybe it would work. Or that's it. That's the lifespan of it. You know, it's not meant to last forever. So they did have quite a bit of the grease on there. Yeah. And so that's most likely it on this one. It's not the gears. I guess the older ones, the gears used to go. So that's it. And of course now, because I took it apart without noting anything, I wouldn't know exactly. I guess you would just turn that to this, if you're resetting it, back to there. So that's how mine came, the other one. And that would be back. But then the controller and stuff might not know that it's set back to there. Well, it might because of the connection points, right? When it turns. I don't know. But anyways, that's the inside. I figured I'd bring you this video just for fun, just to see what's inside here. So nice short little video. And there you have it. That's inside of one of these air door actuators. And this is to a F150. Mine's a 2016. They're across a wide year range and what have you. Probably still using them for all I know. But yep, that's what's under there, and it's about a 20 to 30 minute job. Hardest part, as I said in my other video of actually doing the install, is the two Torx T20s. Just getting your hand up there and doing it. Plenty of room, at least in my vehicle, plenty of room, but it's just a pain. And yeah, that's it. It's a nice little compact unit. I mean, well designed in that regard. It's just They need to make those connections a lot better, and sadly, it's mechanical in nature. Maybe they could make that so it's not a mechanical, or could it be digital? I don't know. You know what I mean? Just so you're not having that board. It's probably the cheapest way still to make it for cost savings, but I'm sure there's other manufacturing processes that could be used and implemented if they wanted to make this piece like robust where it's never going to break. But at $20, easy access. So I heard, unfortunately, if you do go to the dealer, they'll quote you like $1,000 because they say they have to get up in there and take the dash apart and this and that and that. You don't have to take anything apart. I don't know what's with the people that take the panel off and some metal cross member or whatever. I don't know why they do that. I got up under there 2016. Maybe newer ones, there might be harder to get up in there. I don't know. Maybe it's the guy himself just bigger and can't get up in there. Find you a scrawny dude, toss him $40 and give him the part, and he should be able to do it. I mean, I do for you. If you're in Colorado Springs area, and you don't want to crawl up under there, maybe your age, health, size. No offense to you, I'm just saying size. I'd probably charge you $40 and put it in there, and it probably is a 10-20 minute job, and it would be done. And something I could do right in my garage. So I guess feel free to reach out to Meeker Extreme on Facebook or Instagram or what have you. You can find me. I have a website too called meekerextreme.com, so you can check me out. Anyways, that was pretty easy. So take care, stay well, stay safe, my friends. Have a good one.